Hi everyone. Today we are diving into a topic that's shaping our world in so many exciting ways. AI or artificial intelligence. You may have heard about it, seen it in movies, or maybe even interacted with it without realizing. But what is AI really and how does it affect our daily lives? Stick around and I will explain it all in simple words with examples you see around you every day. Let's get started. Let's begin with the basics. What exactly is AI? AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, which basically means teaching machines to think, learn, and even make decisions like a human. Imagine you have a robot and you teach it to identify an apple from an orange. Once it learns this, it can identify an apple no matter where it sees one. Think about how humans learn. When you were little, you didn't know what a dog or cat was. Over time, you learn by observing and asking questions. AI learns in a similar way, but with a lot of data. It's given examples, learn patterns, and eventually can recognize things on its own. Now let's talk about some examples of AI that you use every day without even realizing it. First, voice assistant. When you ask Siri on your phone or Alexa at home to play a song or to tell you the weather, they understand what you are saying and respond. That's AI. These devices are trained to understand language and can pick up on keywords to help you out. They are learning more and more over time to get better at answering questions. Second, YouTube recommendations. Ever noticed how YouTube seems to know exactly what videos you would like to watch next? That's AI at work again. YouTube's AI studies your viewing habits, like what types of video you watch or even how long you watch them. Based on that, it suggests videos that it thinks you will enjoy. It's almost like it's getting to know your taste, just like a friend would. Third, Google Maps. When you use Google Maps and ask for the fastest route to a place, AI is working behind the scenes. It looks at the traffic data, calculates distance, and then suggests the quickest or best route. It's also constantly learning from traffic data to improve its suggestions. But how AI actually learns? Think of it this way. AI is a bit like student. Imagine you are studying for an exam. You read books, practice problems, and repeat this until you are confident. AI does the same thing. It's given a large set of data like photos, videos, or even text, and it learns by analyzing patterns over and over again. For example, let's say you want to teach AI to recognize a cat. You show it thousands of pictures of cats, and over time, it learns that cats usually have pointy ears, whiskers, and tails. After enough practice, it can identify a cat even if it sees a new picture of one. This practice of learning from examples is called machine learning. Now AI has levels too. Let me break it down. First, narrow AI. This is the type of AI that can do a specific task well. Siri, for example, is a great at answering questions, but it can't play soccer or help with homework. It's trained for specific tasks. Most of the AI we see around us is a narrow AI. It's smart, but only in one area. Second, general AI. This level of AI doesn't really exist yet. General AI would be an AI that could do anything a human can do, from cooking to solving complex maths problems. Imagine having a robot friend who could help you with any and every task. That's what general AI would look like. Third, super intelligent AI. This is a type of AI that could theoretically be smarter than all humans combined. It's not real yet, and many scientists debate if it ever will be. But if it does, it would mean AI could solve problems that are way too complex for humans, like curing every disease or even figuring out space travel. AI is amazing, but why it is so important? Here's why. First, in medical field, doctors are using AI to help diagnose diseases. For instance, AI can look at X-rays and spot issues that might be hard for even the best doctors to see. This helps diagnose patients faster and more accurately. Second, in education, imagine an app that could teach you exactly at your level and speed. AI-powered apps can already do this by figuring out what you know and don't, and then creating a plan to help you learn better. Third, In agriculture, farmers are using AI to help grow crops more efficiently. With AI, they can predict weather patterns, find out when crops are likely to grow best, or even detect pests on their fields. Fourth, in environment, AI can analyze data on pollution and climate change to suggest ways to save our planet. It's helping scientists to understand our environment better and come up with the solutions to protect it. But like everything, AI also has challenges. One of the biggest concerns is privacy. If AI is always collecting data like our search history or location, how can we sure it's safe? Companies have to be careful about how they use data and keep our information secure. Another challenge is bias. Since AI learns from data, it can sometimes pick up human biases. For example, if an AI is trained only a certain type of images or data, it might not recognize things outside of those examples. This is why scientists are working to make sure AI is fair and unbiased. So in summary, AI is a technology that's learning to understand our world and help us in a ways we once thought impossible. From making our lives easier to solving big problems, AI is already changing how we live. But remember, AI is only as good as the data we feed it. So as we move forward, it's up to us and the scientists, developers and creators out there to make sure it's used responsibly. I hope this gave you a clear picture of what AI is and how it's impacting our lives. And who knows, maybe one day you will be the one developing the next big AI technology. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below with your thoughts on AI. See you next time.